Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of LeetCode, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can access the list of questions that have been asked previously by the top companies in their recruitment process. So LeetCode provides you with the facility to provide the questions that have been previously asked in their DSA rounds or recruitments. So to do that, all you need to do is just simply go to the leetcode.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you do that, hit this problem section over the top window. Once you do that, let it get loaded. Once it gets loads, you're gonna find the list of questions here. And now to find the company based questions, all you need to do is just simply go to the right bottom corner. You're gonna find this icon, something golden icon. Just simply tap it over there, and you're gonna see all the list of questions that have been asked by multiple companies. You can find the company preference by yourself, and yeah, these are the top companies, trending companies that recruits the employees, and the questions they have been asked are listed here, so you can access any of them you want. For example, if I go to the Uber, you can see the list of questions asked by Uber have been listed here. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.